welcome back to our channel. Today we have a
special toy
that
that Daddy gave you.
Daddy gave me.
What is that, Amber?
American girl.
So let's get it, Amber. Come on, get it, Amber. Yay! So show it to the camera, Amber. There, she looks like you. Actually, there are still some other American Girl doll there, but we chose that because she's kinda Asian looking because others are like American. So you open the box na, Amber.
How will I open it?
Okay, we're gonna open it in a short while. Although, yun nga, yung daddy niya bought another clothes kasi what's inside is just yeah, she can close her eyes. Yung toy itself, tapos hindi mo raw ma-change yung dress unless bibilin mo nga yung mga separate items. So, ito siya, bumili yung daddy niya. And then this one pa, another. Yan, yung may pants, ganyan. Kasi yung American Girl sa Dubai, may mga naka-season sale kasi nga it's Christmas. So, you like it, Amber?
Yeah.
She has a shoes or a sandals?
She has a slipper.
Slipper. Okay, you go grab and hug your American Girl doll, and then show it to the camera. Does she really look like you? Actually, merong isa pa guys na na bangs yung nakita namin American Girl, kaso yung mukha niya not as pretty as this one. So yon. Amber, are you happy? Okay, you hug it, then show it to the camera, dali. Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
I love you.
I love you.
And I miss you. You know, Amber, what did you notice? That whenever she's lying down,
She's sleeping.
she's sleeping. Okay, it's like that. She's sleeping, and then when she stands up, she opens her eyes. Oh, she really looks like you. We changed her clothes na. And then what did you notice from the box, Amber? She thought that it has 8 accessories inside, and I told her that it's for 8 years old and above. Diba, Amber? You're only 5. So these toys are supposedly for 8 years old and above. So I really like a toy na looks like her. So ayan. Yan, she's changing her slippers. Included pala dun sa guys, dito sa toy na to, meron may slipper siya. So sa other accessories has one din. Yes, Amber? Okay, we're gonna, sige guys ayusin lang namin to. What were you saying?
This slippers are too small for me.
Yeah, of course you will not wear that. Para yan sa toy mo. And then, ito lang, Amber. This one you can borrow her ipet. Ayan. Kasi clip-on siya. Pwede siyang i-borrow. So, yun ka, guys. Ang pretty-pretty niya. Tapos, brown eyes pa siya. Actually, parang, yeah. Mwah. Bye!
Bye!
I'm gonna play now. I love you guys. See you next time. Say see you next time.
See you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget